Bizeum Officetel near Sinjong Station, Line 5. It is a one room, so this is the kitchen. So you have cupboards. And next door is the wet room or bathroom. So the place gets all wet and you have a small cabinet. There's a microwave and shoe closet. A fridge. Sofa, closets, drawers, table, desk, and aircon. A giant window and curtains. We have stairs that goes upstairs to the loft. The ceiling is not very high, but there's a bed, bedside table, and half closets here. There's a wall fan, so you don't get too hot because the aircon doesn't reach to the top. Each apartment has different furnishing, so you may need to buy some things, or if there are things you don't like, you cannot get rid of. This place requires no deposit and it's only 700,000 won a month, and it's very close to the station. I find it quite noisy because I can always hear upstairs walking and I can hear the elevator. Korean deposits are very high, so this one's a good option if you don't have any deposit. The maintenance fee is 80,000 won a month. The building includes TV and internet and a yearly aircon cleaning for free. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.